Using targeted videos and curated playlists accelerates technician learning and builds real-world troubleshooting confidence. Start by mapping core competencies to specific videos and playlists that focus on hands-on procedures, common failure modes, diagnostic flow, safety steps, and customer communication. Create learning pathways that sequence basic concepts to advanced techniques so each technician can follow a logical progression and practice immediately after viewing. Assign a single skill or checklist per video to avoid cognitive overload, and require short written or verbal summaries after viewing to reinforce retention. Use playlists to group similar tasks, for example, system startup, refrigerant handling, or control diagnostics, and label each playlist with the exact outcome expected. Encourage technicians to pause videos and replicate the step on a test bench or in a controlled environment to turn observation into muscle memory. Make it routine for technicians to post questions or short field notes in the video comment area to prompt peer discussion and to flag content that needs clarification. Most people rely only on passive watching, which limits transfer to hands-on work, so insist on active practice immediately after viewing to close the gap. Some collections mix outdated and current procedures, which causes confusion. Solve that by reviewing and timestamping correct methods and keeping a changelog for any updates. Others skip safety steps when rushing through content, so require a pre-work safety checklist tied to the video and verify completion verbally or on paper before fieldwork. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find projects by making it easy to list skills and browse local demand. We also host a discussion community where technicians and homeowners exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.